Hey guys, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about a new brand to me. I've been testing out these products for about 2 weeks now, and I was really excited to share them with you. So I'm going to sit down, kind of unbox the products today, and talk to you a little bit about the brand. The brand is called For You, and this video is actually in partnership with them. I was super excited when they reached out. I'll explain a little bit why in a second, but I just kind of wanted to add a little disclaimer in here. Even though we are very fortunate to get to work with a few brands here and there, we are still very small. I would never talk about a product or a brand that I didn't love or didn't believe in. So I just wanted to kind of clear that up and let you guys know, even though this is in partnership with them, they did send me these products. All opinions are my own. I do have some notes in front of me just talking about the brand a little bit so I can give you accurate information so that you are being informed wisely of the brand and their products. Okay, so now we're gonna get into it. So I was really excited when this brand reached out because I literally have been seeing them all over Instagram. I think every single person that I follow on Instagram has either tried this or has talked about it or done something with it. So, and I was always super intrigued by the brand, super intrigued by the products, and when they reached out, I was super excited. I immediately said yes. I was like, yes, I want to try these. I was about to purchase them with my own money anyway. So they sent us over 2 products. They sent me the fur oil and then also the fur ingrown concentrate. We'll kind of discuss the differences between these products in a second. One of the reasons I was most excited about this brand is because, as I'm sure you know, I have super sensitive skin, and that doesn't just stop at my face. Like, my whole entire body is just, my skin is just really sensitive. So I have to be really careful about what kind of lotions I use, what kind of shaving cream I use, what kind of anything I put on my body. I have to be really careful about the types of ingredients it has and all that good stuff. So when I started researching this brand and started seeing it all over Instagram, I was really excited about them because all their products are made from 100% natural ingredients. They're safe for use everywhere on the body. So when they reached out, I already knew that, and I was like, yes, I want to try these 100%, let's do it. So For You was created by women who believe in natural, beautiful care for all parts of the body. They actually work with dermatologists and gynecologists to make sure that their products are safe for use everywhere, which is really nice. I know that a lot of products in the same kind of field or category are just kind of targeted to one part or the other, and they're really about convenience, about getting the job done, not just getting it done fast, getting it done, being done, and just not talking about it. So I like that their whole brand is kind of about doing it naturally and making sure you're not just removing the hair or just getting rid of the ingrowns, but also kind of taking care of the skin around it. So, which I really need because my skin is so sensitive. So that really is what kind of drew me to their brand and drew me to their products. But all of their oils and products are super gentle, acid-free. They help soothe and smooth the skin. They help get rid of irritation and ingrown hairs and razor burn. You literally can use them on every part of your body, from your head literally to your toes. So they're all, like I said, they're made with all natural ingredients, especially natural oils. So there's grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, clary, sage seed oil, and tea tree oil in the fur oil, to be exact. So all very natural ingredients. So they're really great products for like post hair removal or just kind of any hair on your body, even if you don't remove it. If you wax, they can be used in between sessions to kind of help for gentler removal. I'm not too familiar with waxing. I really only wax my eyebrows, so I don't know, but that's what their website claims. You can also use it as a post treatment to kind of help soothe the skin, which is what I mostly use it for after I shave. Same with shaving, you can use it post to kind of help soothe the skin, help prevent any razor bumps or burns or anything like that. And then if you don't shave at all, you can use it to kind of help soften the hair and kind of prevent any irritation or anything like that. So now we're going to discuss the individual products themselves and their ingredients and kind of what they can do for you. So first up, let's talk about the packaging. They come in these like creamy white boxes, and they have the beautiful gold trim. On top it says fur in gold. I love the gold accents. And then they also just have a little bit of information on the product on the back, and then they have like the expiration date and stuff, which is good to know. This one has an expiration of 30 months, so over 2 years, which is really nice because it's a huge bottle. So definitely something that I won't go through too quickly. Like I said, I've been using it for about two and a half weeks, maybe maybe just 2 weeks, and I have, you know, barely put a dent in it. So definitely a product that's going to last a long time. It goes a long way. But here's the inside packaging. It's like this little dome shaped bottle. It says For You on it right here. It's kind of glaring. I don't know if you can see that. And then it has like a black dropper. So the packaging is very sleek, very modern, very cute. It looks very nice on my shelf, and people have no idea that I use it to help prevent razor burn. All right, so like I said, the fur oil prevents ingrown hairs, it softens the hair, it's 100% natural. You literally can use it anywhere. You can use it on your underarms. If you're a boy and have a beard, you can use it on your beard. You can use it on your chest if you're a dude and have a lot of hair, your legs, your head, literally anywhere in your nether regions. It's naturally formulated, so it's gently antiseptic. So it does help prevent like irritation, and it helps clear the pores, but it's not to the point where it's like gonna cause irritation, because a lot of times when something's antiseptic, it can be a little harsh and that can actually cause irritation. But this is gently antiseptic and it reduces inflammation. Like I said, it does have a light citrusy scent, but it kind of dissipates very quickly. My skin especially is very sensitive to fragrance, so I have to be very, very careful about that. But with these products, I experienced no irritation from the scent so far. And like I said, I've been using them for 2 weeks, so I feel like it's a good gauge for like a first impression. I will be doing a deeper in-depth impression once I use them. I think the recommended is, this bottle is supposed to last for 6 months, this thing right here. So when that 6 months is up, when I have completely gone through that, I will do an updated blog post on my thoughts and feelings and whether or not I'll be repurchasing. But I digress. The oil is also residue free, so it's not going to leave a film or any grossness on your body. I was never someone who really liked oils, face oils, body oils, any type of oils. I just thought that they were going to kind of irritate my skin, clog my pores, all that good stuff. But this oil is very light, it dries very quickly, it sinks into the skin very nicely, and it doesn't leave behind a film or anything like that. So now I want to talk to you guys about the ingredients. I have them pulled up on my phone that are in the oil and kind of what they're individually going to help do for you. So the first oil is grapeseed oil. It is quick drying, so that's why there's no residue. It sinks into the skin quickly. It contains vitamins A and E, and that's what helps to soothe your skin. So then the jojoba oil is actually what helps to soften hair and skin. It hydrates. And then there's also clary sage oil, which helps reduce inflammation. Then also there's tea tree oil, which I'm sure we've all heard of that. This is actually what helps to control the ingrowns. It says that it inhibits factors that contribute to ingrowns. I didn't know that there were factors that did that, but that's cool. Well known for anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. So all really great ingredients. There are definitely a ton that I recognize, the first two, and then the tea tree oil. The only one that I didn't know what it was the clary sage seed oil, but just a quick Google search kind of helps me out with that. And then also they have that little blurb here, but definitely all natural ingredients, definitely stuff that is not going to irritate the skin, which is really great. I like that they kind of actually break it down for you and tell you what ingredients they're actually using. They do say natural, 100% natural, but I mean, until they break it down for you, how are you really supposed to know? So I like that they do that. And yeah, so that is the fur oil so far. Really great. Hasn't caused any irritation for me. It's actually been showing me results, and I've only been using it for 2 weeks, so I'm really excited to keep using it and kind of see what else happens along the way. So next up we have the ingrown concentrate. Again, it's in the same creamy packaging with the gold detail. It has the blurb on the back about the product. This one is good for 12 months, so just a year, but it's a lot smaller. This is only 14 millimeters. Did I even tell you how much that thing costs? No, I didn't. So this comes in 2 sizes. A 75 milliliter, which costs $44. That's how big this one is right here. And then as well as a 14 millimeter, which is how big this one is, and that is $28. So if you're unsure about the product and you just want to try a travel size of it, definitely get the smaller one. You can test it out. I like when brands offer 2 sizes because you don't have to spend all that money on something and then realize it doesn't work for you. So the 75 milliliter is a 6-month supply, and the 14 millimeter is 2 weeks supply. But that's just like trying to gauge it. I mean, you know what's best for your body, so you might be able to make that last longer, shorter, you never know. But it is good for 30 months, which is over 2 years, so you've got all that time. So moving on, again, I swear I won't forget anything else. This is the ingrown concentrate. This is 14 milliliters, and this is retails for $28. And that is supposed to, oh, it doesn't tell you how long that lasts you, but I guess this product is more of like a use it when you need it kind of thing. So, because it's like a spot solution. So you kind of just have to gauge how long it's gonna last you. This is the product that's going to help stop bumps and razor burn. Again, 100% natural oils. It soothes ingrown prone skin, which you have sensitive skin, it's probably ingrown prone as well. So this is the first and only oil designed for this type of thing, like to prevent ingrowns and help soothe them, which I think is really cool. I have really never done that much research on this topic. I always just used to think that like exfoliation was what you needed to kind of help stop that, but I never thought about actually having a product that was gonna help the skin heal and help it not do that, which I think is really cool. So it also comes with a little finger mitt to help exfoliate. Again, I like to use this with the product. I just kind of like put a little bit of the product on and just kind of like exfoliate away. I like that it's really gentle on the skin. It's not harsh at all. I know a lot of times I'm a little bit nervous about physical exfoliants, especially on my face and body. On the face you can get away with like using a chemical exfoliant, but I've never really found one for the body that's a good price point. And physical exfoliants tend to really irritate my skin, so I was a little bit nervous about using this, but it's actually really gentle, and I'm actually trying to find something like this for my entire body. If you have any recommendations, let me know, because I really like how soft my skin felt afterwards, and it felt really nice. It didn't feel harsh, like it was like scratching my skin, so I really like this so far. I've been using it in conjunction with the oil, and this product again is perfect for any area on the body, your bikini line, your eyebrows, which I'm really excited to actually try once I am doing them again. I'm letting them grow out right now, which is why they're really fluffy. Your upper lip, your face, any area that tends to get red or like irritated really easily when you wax or shave, especially the face area and down there. This will be really good for you because it's going to help to soothe the skin, help prevent any bumps or redness. So I'm really excited to try this on my eyebrows when the time comes. So far in the other areas that I've used it, it's been really nice and it's been really soothing, and so far I haven't had any ingrown hairs. I mean, it's only been 2 weeks, so I don't know, but so far so good. So let's talk a little bit about the ingredients in this product as well. So this product has a few of the same ingredients, a few different ingredients. The first ingredient listed is coconut oil, which I love coconut oil. I love coconut in general. This is what helps soften hair so it slides out of the skin and doesn't get stuck and create an ingrown hair. And it's also, as you guys probably know, widely used across beauty products. I mean, there's so many coconut-based beauty products, so it's obviously safe for your skin. Oh, my voice just cracked. There's also tea tree oil in this product as well. Again, it helps with the ingrown hairs. And then there's also chamomile extract, which if you don't know, chamomile is really good for sensitive skin. I actually use a face wash that is just chamomile based when my skin is really acting up, and that's what helps calming and soothing. It's one of the oldest remedies for irritation, like ever in the world. So if you have sensitive skin anywhere in your body, chamomile is really good at products with chamomile in it. You can find lotions, face washes, everything possible with chamomile in it to help soothe the skin. So really great that it has that in there, because obviously you know that it's going to help soothe. So those are the key ingredients in this product. They also have a third product called the Stubble Cream. I do not have that product, but it's definitely on my list after I've had such great experiences with the first two products in literally 2 weeks. I definitely have the Stubble Cream on my wish list. So this is just an all over body moisturizer. It retails for $34. It's an all over body moisturizer, so you literally can use it anywhere, and it helps maintain smoothness. It's also, again, 100% natural. It's lightweight and fast absorbing, so this website says. I don't know, haven't tried it yet, but I definitely wanted to mention this for you guys if you guys are interested. Let's see if they have ingredients. Oh, they do. So I have a feeling, okay, so a few of the same ingredients, a few different ones. They have shea butter in this product, which helps protect the skin, has vitamins A and E. I mean, shea butter is, I mean, it's in everything. Every moisturizer I feel like has shea butter in it, so that's a good ingredient to see. There's safflower seed and olive extracts, which that's what helps soften the stubble. There's tea tree oil again, and tapacoa starch, which provides that dry finish, so it's gonna help absorb really quickly without using silicone, which is something I'm really excited for. I have a severe sensitivity to silicone-based products, so I like that they use a different kind of starchiness to have that dry feeling instead of silicone, because that's something I really struggle with. So definitely on my list, definitely want to check that out next because these two products have been so great so far. So that's kind of all the information that I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed learning about this brand. They do offer a 10% off discount if you sign up with your email. I don't get anything from that. Literally, if you just go to the website, which I'll have linked down below, if you sign in your email to get newsletters from them, you just get a 10% off code. They also have kits of their products here, and it'll help you save a little bit of money. So they have one that has all 3 products, they have one that has the concentrate and the cream, and then they have just one that is the oil and the concentrate. So if you wanted more than one product and you want to save a little bit of money, I would definitely recommend getting the kits and then using that 10% off as well. I would highly recommend these products if you are someone who has very sensitive skin. If you're just someone who shaves and waxes regularly or anything at all, if you're looking for something to help soften the hair, soften the skin, I would highly recommend these products. I've only been using them for 2 weeks, but so far I've had really great results. I've been really enjoying them. They haven't been irritating my skin at all, which is saying a lot because my skin is literally so sensitive to everything. So I've been really enjoying these products. I'm excited to see prolonged use and what kind of results I see from there. But again, for the 3rd time, I'll be doing like a full compiled blog post in about 6 months in-depthly about these products and how they worked for me. I'm also thinking about buying the cream and adding that into the blog post, so if you guys are interested in that, definitely let me know in the comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of unboxing slash first impressions slash informational video. Thank you to For You for partnering with me on this video. I'll leave their website link down below. Again, it's not an affiliate link. I'm not going to make any money off of it or anything. It's just convenience for you guys, so if you want to check them out, you can. But thank you for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got to learn about a new brand. And if you did enjoy the video, definitely give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button that's down here somewhere. It's big, red, can't miss it. And I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.